Yes. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Your ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದ? Can you hear me? Okay. Sorry for that. Anyhow, I was telling you in the last class we were discussing about Cartesian sign conventions. In Cartesian sign conventions, we will be taught about what distances are to be taken positive and what distances are to be taken negative. We will very quickly revise the Cartesian sign conventions and we will move forward. Cartesian sign conventions. Cartesian sign conventions. See, these Cartesian sign conventions are applicable to spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors here, the Cartesian sign conventions apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. When I say spherical mirrors, it covers both concave as well as convex mirrors. Cartesian sign conventions are applicable for both concave as well as for convex mirrors. So, the first Cartesian sign convention is that all the distances are to be measured from pole and along the principal axis. This is the first Cartesian sign convention. See, when we are measuring distances, we need to have some reference point, correct alla? Iga if I say I am at a distance of 10 meter antandre ellinda 10 meter distance nagidivi adannu helbeku ನಾವು. We need to tell from which point we are at a distance of 10 meter. I say I am at 1 kilometer antandre it is meaningless. I should say I am at a distance of 1 kilometer from my home. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ 1 kilometer. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ our home becomes the reference. When you are measuring distances, you must have some reference for it. Ellinda ಯಾವ point ಇಂದ distance measure ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ, that reference point is to be chosen. See, while measuring distances in ray optics, the reference point will be the pole. Pole will be taken as the reference point. ಎಲ್ಲ distances ನು pole ಇಂದಾನೆ measure ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Pole will be the reference point. Radius of curvature is 10 centimeter is meaningless. Radius of curvature is 10 centimeter andre it is meaningless. Radius of curvature is 10 centimeters from the pole anta helbeku. You need to fix a reference point from which all distances are measured. Correct? Hagadre nodi first Cartesian sign convention speaks about that reference point. Reference point yavadu anta heltare. All the distances are to be measured from pole and along the principal axis. Suppose this is a concave mirror. The center of the mirror is known as pole. Like this be the center of curvature. Line passing through pole and center of curvature is called as principal axis. Ella distances nu ellinda measure ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ pole ಇಂದ measure ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Pole ಇಂದ center of curvature is the distance. The distance between pole and center of curvature is known as radius of curvature. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ measure ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. You have to measure from pole to center of curvature. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ if you are measuring the distance using scale, you need to place the zero of the scale here. Pole hatra zero of the scale ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Suppose if this is your scale, the zero of the scale must be at pole. Here this may be 10 centimeter. You may now conclude radius of curvature is 10 centimeter from the pole. Positive or negative ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. First distances ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. In case of spherical mirrors, all the distances must be measured from the pole, right? And along the principal axis ಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು distances ನ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Principal axis ಗೆ 10 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ 10 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೇಲೆ 20 degree ಮೇಲೆ 20 degree ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೀಗಿಲ್ಲ. You have to measure the distances along the principal axis. Suppose this is the scale which we are using to measure the distances. Pole in the measure ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what I do is I keep the zero of the scale. ಈ scale zero ಇಲ್ಲದೆ zero ನ ನಾನು pole ಹತ್ರ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ. scale along the principal axis. Principal axis ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್. You should not measure the distances like this. Principal axis ಇಂದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಗೆ ಅಥವಾ principal axis ಇಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆಗೆ distances measure ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? All the distances must be measured from pole and along the principal axis. This is the first Cartesian sign convention, and this is applicable to both concave as well as convex mirrors. Okay. The second Cartesian sign convention speaks about what distances are to be taken positive and what distances are to be taken negative. ಯಾವ distance positive ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ distance negative ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ second Cartesian sign convention. The distances measured in the direction of incident light. The distances measured in the direction of incident light are taken positive. The distances measured in the direction of incident light are taken positive. Right? The distances measured in the direction of incident light are taken positive. While the distances measured in a direction, opposite to direction of incident light, are taken negative. Nodri yav distance positive togobekku, yav distance negative togobekku ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. If you are measuring the distances in the direction of incident light ಯಾವ direction ಆಗದೋ ಅದೇ direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು distance measure ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ distance positive ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. If you are measuring the distances in a direction opposite to the direction of incident light, suppose this is the direction of incident light. Incident light is traveling towards my left. Okay. And if this is the direction in which you are measuring the distance, if you are measuring the distance towards right, incident light left ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ, you are measuring the distance towards right, ಅಂತ distances ನ negative ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. The distances measured in the direction of incident light are to be taken positive, while the distances measured in direction opposite to direction of incident light are to be taken negative. This is the second Cartesian sign convention. So we will understand this using concave mirror. Suppose this is a concave mirror. This is pole of the mirror. Let this be the center of curvature of the mirror. Let this be the center of curvature. Okay. The distance, the line passing through pole and center of curvature of the mirror will be the principal axis. Let us suppose this is the incident ray. One ray of light mirror the incident agade anta. This is the incident ray. This is incident ray. Okay. What you must focus upon is the direction of incident ray. Light yav direction ag incident agade nodkobeku. You have to focus on this arrow mark. The arrow mark important target that gives us the direction in which light is propagating. See, this is the direction in which light is incident, right? Hagare, now I have to measure radius of curvature. Suppose I have to measure radius of curvature. Ellinda measure ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ radius of curvature ಅಂದ್ರೆ center of curvature ಇಂದ pole measure ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Correct? I will measure radius of curvature from center of curvature to the pole. ಈ direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ measure ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Correct? Is that right? Is that right? Is that right? How about this? How about this? I have to measure all the distances from pole. Pole in the measurement, pole in the center of curvature. This is the direction in which distance is measured. See, this is the direction in which distance is measured. Correct? Am I right now? Is correct ada? Correct ada Rahul? Yagana? See, all the distances must be measured from pole. Pole is the reference. Idunne ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We take this as the reference. Pole is the reference to us. Pole is the reference to us. Okay. So, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ radius of curvature positive or negative? ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ, distances measured in the direction of incident light have to be taken positive, while distances measured in a direction opposite to direction of incident light have to be taken negative. So this is the direction of incident light. Incident light is towards right, and the distance is measured towards left. Whether the radius of curvature in this case is positive or negative, very good. So for a concave mirror, we will note the radius of curvature and it is negative. Remember this. For a concave mirror, radius of curvature will be negative. Okay? ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಹೀಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಪೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಪೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. The distances measured to the left of the pole. So ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅದೇ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can remember this. ಪೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಪೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. The distances measured to the left of the pole will be negative. The distances measured to the right of the pole will be positive. This is an example of this can be remembered. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Example ಇದೆ. Distances measured in the direction of incident light have to be taken positive, while the distances measured in direction opposite to the direction of incident light have to be taken negative. Okay. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we'll think of focal length. We will think of focal length. Focal length for concave mirror. Positive ಬರ್ತದ negative ಬರ್ತದ ನೋಡೋಣ. Let us suppose this is principal focus. We know the distance between pole and principal focus. Distance between pole and principal focus is known as focal length. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ pole ಇಂದ principal focus ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ principal focus ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ focal length ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ for a concave mirror, focal length is positive or negative? For a concave mirror, the principal focus is positive or negative? ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ positive ಬರ್ತದಾ negative ಬರ್ತದಾ? Very good. We have measured the focal length from pole to principal focus. Notice we have measured the distance to the left of the pole. Pole in the left side measure ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಥವಾ you can also say we have measured the distance. This is the direct distance. We have measured the distance in a direction opposite to the direction of incident. As a result, for a concave mirror, focal length comes out to be negative. For a concave mirror, focal length comes out to be negative. These are things you change agalla. For a concave mirror, radius of curvature will be negative. For a concave mirror, focal length will be negative. Next, we will think of object distance. See, object distance is the distance between pole and the position of the object. Pole ಇಂದ object ಮಧ್ಯ ಇರೋ distance ಏನೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು object distance ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So object distance is the distance between pole and the position of the object. Okay. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ let us suppose here is an object. ಇದೊಂದು object ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Let us suppose this is an object. I have told you what is an object. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Anything that emits light becomes an object. ಈಗ you can see this pen, correct ಅಲ್ಲ? You can see this pen. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ this pen is emitting light. Whether this pen is emitting light of its own or it is just reflecting the light that is incident on us is immaterial. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು luminous source non luminous source ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು light emit ಮಾಡ್ತದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If it is emitting light, this can become the object. If it is emitting light, it can become the object. I am visible to you all. ನಾನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ object because I am emitting light. Whether I emit light of my own or I just reflect the light that is incident on is immaterial. Source, lumina, sun, luminous, light emit if it is emitting light, it becomes the object. This is an object. We will name this object as AB. The object is AB. We'll name this object as AB. The distance between pole and the position of the object. Pole in the object position of the distance. This is called as object distance. It is called as object distance. It is called object distance. And object distance is represented by small u. Remember, object distance is represented by small u. Pole in the position of the object distance measure and it is represented as u. This is the direction in which object distance is measured. This is the direction in which object distance is measured. What is object distance? Positive or negative? Object distance positive or negative? Let us suppose this is infrared. This is infrared. Can you tell me whether the object distance is positive or negative? Very good. For a concave mirror, even the object distance is negative. To move the concave mirror, radius of curvature positive or negative? Negative. Focal length positive or negative? Negative. Object distance positive or negative? Negative. Image distance positive negative. We'll discuss them in detail when we are tracing the images. Image formation. Only we will study about the image distance. Yava positive after Yava negative after that I'll teach you. At this point of time, for a concave mirror, remember radius of curvature will be negative, focal length will be negative, and object distance will be negative. Right? Am I clear with these 3 points? You clear Ada? Are this clear? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅವಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅವಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಯಾವ್ದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅವಾ ಓಕೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we will now study the same for convex mirror ನೋಡೋಣ. We'll study the same distances, radius of curvature, focal length, object distance, convex mirror again. Suppose this is a convex mirror. Suppose this is a convex mirror. Right? Suppose this is a convex mirror. The center of the mirror is called as pole. ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಿರರ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮುಂದಗಡೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಮಿರರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಂದಿರ್ತೀವಿ? ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂದಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಒಪೇಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿಂದಿರಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕುವಾಗ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒಪೇಕ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೋಡಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. Object must always be kept in front of the reflecting surface. Okay. This is pole. Let us suppose this is the center of curvature. This is the center of curvature of the convex mirror. This is center of curvature of the convex mirror. Let us suppose this is the incident ray. Suppose this is incident ray. This is incident ray. Now we will measure radius of curvature. First we will measure radius of curvature. We know radius of curvature is the distance between pole and the center of curvature, and we have to always measure the distances from pole. So pole in the center of curvature in the distance we call it as radius of curvature. I measure ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ distance. We have measured from pole to center of curvature. This is the direction in which distance is measured, isn't it? This is the direction in which distance is measured. Look at the direction of incident light. Direction of incident light and the direction in which distance is measured are the same. If the distances are measured in the direction of incident light, then take those distances as positive. Take those distances as positive. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿರರ್ ನಾಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Can you tell me whether the distance radius of curvature is positive or negative? Very good. For the convex mirror, radius of curvature. For the convex mirror, radius of curvature comes out to be positive. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Distances measured to the right of the pole. Pole in the right side is measured ಮಾಡೋ distances ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ನೋಡಿ, this is pole. Radius of curvature for convex mirror is towards the right of the pole, isn't it? Pole in right side alle a distance positive. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Focal length measure ಮಾಡೋಣ. We will now measure focal length. Radius of curvature we will now measure focal length. We will now measure. Let us suppose this is the principal focus. Either point of principal focus. Let us suppose this is the principal focus. Okay? What is the distance between pole and principal focus? The distance between pole and principal focus is known as focal length. And we have to measure the distances from pole. This distance will be the focal length represented by small l. Again, the distance is measured in this direction. Pole in the principal focus. This is the direction in which distance is measured. Again, what is focal length now? Positive or negative? Focal length. Positive or negative or negative ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಏನಾ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಏನಾ? ಓಕೆ. Focal length for convex mirror is positive, right? ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to measure the object distance. I have told you object distance is the distance between pole and the position of the object. Pole ಇಂದ object position ಮಧ್ಯದಾಗಿರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Object distance ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This is pole, this is position of the object. Distance between pole and position of the object is called as object distance, represented by u. Represented by u. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ u ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ರೆ. I do not write the direction there. u ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆ? u ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. This is pole, this is position of the object. I have told you all the distances are to be measured from pole and along the principal axis. Pole in the position of object, e direction and distance measurement. This is the direction in which distance is measured. Look at the direction of incident light. Here distance is measured in a direction opposite to the direction of incident light. So object distance must be negative. Convex mirror nage radius of curvature will be positive, focal length will be positive, image distance will be negative. Concave mirror na kuda image distance negative ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. Radius of curvature, focal length were negative, but image distance was negative. It is immaterial whether the mirror is concave or convex. Image distance will always be negative. Then image distance will always be negative, irrespective of the type of the mirror. Concave mirror idru image distance, sorry, object distance negative ಬರ್ತದೆ. Convex mirror idru object distance negative ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So object distance for any type of the mirror will always remain negative. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಎರಡನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಸೈನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಈಗ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿವಲ್ಲ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಾಗ ಸೈನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಫಿನಿಶ್. ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Okay. Within another 2 or 3 hours, I will be uploading the first CET video. Electric charges agedalla, adradu CET video upload ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will be discussing the synopsis of electric charges. I will be uploading that. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Next week ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ we will start the MCQs. We'll start the MCQs of electric charges. In today's class, I will be discussing the synopsis of electric charges and fields, which is important for KSET, NEET and JEE. Okay, so we'll do that. So we'll continue. Is this clear? Is this clear? If so, we will end this session. So we will end this session. Okay, then we will continue tomorrow, please. Monday. I will be uploading the video in another 2 or 3 hours. Okay. Fine. Bye. See you tomorrow.